It's time for the Legal Minute with attorney and personal injury expert John Demas from the Demas Law Group. John, who is responsible if I get injured by a company truck or big rig?
Every accident is different, but you may possibly have a claim against any of the following parties: the driver of the company truck and the drivers of other vehicles who may have contributed to the accident, the owners of the trucking company if they fail to abide by federal regulations, truck and parts manufacturers if a defective product caused the accident, and possibly the truck maintenance firms if shoddy work contributed to the accident. Trucking accident cases can be very complex. An experienced personal injury attorney can help determine who the responsible parties in your particular case may be.
The Legal Minute with attorney and personal injury expert John Demas from the Demas Law Group. For more information, visit demaslawgroup.com. The Legal Minute should not be taken as legal advice. If you have a legal problem, speak directly to an attorney at 444-0100.